Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aries. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aries. I'll be picking few cards for your situation, guys, and few cards what your person and yourself feel about the situation, and at last a message from your person, guys. Page of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Aries, with these cards, I feel things are taking a better turn in your life. You're feeling content and you're feeling that you're very skilled in the way you are managing your situation, and you're happy for how things are going in your way. You're feeling secure and you feel the freedom. If you are in a relationship also, you feel the freedom to make your choices, and your person has a clear understanding about you. Or this may be regarding your work, you have that freedom to decide on whatever you want to do and achieve in life, guys. And this person, they are loyal to you, guys. They are really devoted to you and they love you. They feel this deep connection with you, and they are really happy with you in this connection, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys, to get a better clarity of your situation. Aries, with these cards, I feel this may be twin flame soulmate connection, guys. You are having that great attraction and intimacy in your relationship, and you want a very committed long term relationship with your person, and your person feels really inspired by you because of your position, status, your reputation, and your ancestry. Maybe something is attracting them a lot towards you, and they may be coming with a great announcement, guys. They may want to propose to you, or they may be expecting you to propose to them. Okay, so that may also be the energy here. Maybe some of you all are having some visitors who are coming with a great news. Maybe some maybe regarding your work, or or in your relationship, and you are really working hard, guys. You are working hard in your life to make things happen. You are turning every stone to make things work. You're taking that effort. You are not neglecting even a single opportunity, guys. So that may be the reason that this person is coming towards you. They love for the way you handle things, your ability to handle things. So that may be the energy here, guys. For few of you all, you need to need not overstress yourself. So you need to do things in moderation, guys. That may also be the energy here, Aries. But some great news is coming towards you. So maybe this person is coming for a proposal, or you are going to propose, or if you are already in a relationship, you may take it forward with a wedding, or getting engaged, or something like that, guys. So that is the energy here, Aries. Let us pick few cards for your message from your person, guys. Let us see what's coming up. Your dreams are my dreams. You're my other half. Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. So this person loves you for your aspiration, just like I was saying. They love you for your skills, how you strive hard to make the things right in your life, and they really feel comfortable and comfy with you guys, and they feel you both have a very good understanding in your relationship. So that is the reason they want to take it forward, guys. So that is the reading for today, Aries. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.